Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we'll be looking at the analysis on the currency pair gold. And first, we'll be talking about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we're seeing on the chart. Now we can see that our XAU USD gold has been gradually falling off its resistance point and heading to a new zone. So what we can expect from this is that after the sharp breakout from this zone, it's obviously heading to a new zone, and gold price licks its wounds, but remains vulnerable ahead of the Fed Chair Powell's speech. US dollar struggles with US Treasury bond yields amid a mixed market sentiment, while gold price eyes a 200-day SMA amid ascending triangle breakdown and bearish RSI. Gold price is been licking its wounds while flirting with a 3-week low just below the $1,950 level early Thursday, and the United States dollar is trading broadly subdued amidst the ongoing decline in the US Treasury bond yields and mixed market sentiment, of course. All eyes now remain on the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's speech later today. As we await the speech, it's expected to participate in a policy panel on monetary policy challenges in the global economy at the 24th Pollack Annual Research Conference. And comments on the policy outlook will have a significant impact on the US dollar valuation and hence on the USD denominated gold price. While the recent commentaries from the Fed officials have been mixed, raising uncertainty on whether the Fed is still on track to deliver one more rate hike. However, the Fed's spike has continued to support the higher interest rate for a longer view, and this has been keeping the gold price on the losing end, despite the ongoing sell-off in the US Treasury bond yields across the curve. Meanwhile, an upswing in Wall Street following a strong positive earnings report has capped the US dollar recovery, but gold price has failed to capitalize on it, as the sentiment around the bright metal is being led by Fed expectations later today and a rally in the euro on hawkish comments from the European Central Bank. With all that being said, we have other things to look out for, like full momentum bloom and a new support zone at 1909.98. So if we were to make an entry at this point and let the trade run down to 1905.07, we are looking about 411 pips under the entry point, of course, which is good money. That's our technical analysis on today's metal gold. Right now, let's move over to the stock markets.
Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we're having a look at Emirates Bank, UAE Bank, Emirates, NBD, UAE. And what we need to understand first on fundamental aspect is that the Emirates NBD Bank has just had its 25 remarkable years of service. And of course, this has had much effect on the market in the past 48 to 72 hours. And it has been showing a series of upside movement. And we are checking out where it's probably going to head next, still on the upside momentum, but having a break pause at the 17.4893 period, which of course it's just a resistance point and it's looking to break through from there sooner than later. And now what else to expect from this? We have a series of important news events to come following what we have seen so far from the Emirates Bank. Now, not to forget that the NBD, the Emirates NBD Bank is, of course, one important banking sector in the Dubai government, and it's one of the largest banking groups in the Middle East in terms of assets. So, of course, it has to propel following whatever news event comes thereafter. But so far, we are still expecting a buying momentum, and on our 4 hours time frame, we're looking out for a breakout of 18.63 and head out to a new zone. And the next zone would be at the 18.73 and then the 19.45 zones, of course, which is good money. Now, that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Emirates NBD Bank. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.